A few years ago, when clients or prospective clients used to contact HPS, their key objectives were almost exclusively about the profitability stuff. Increased yields, increased capacity, faster changeovers, that sort of thing. But what I've noticed is those objectives are still very much important, but in the last 3 or 4 years, the sustainability stuff has started to creep in. But I must admit, it often feels a bit of a box ticking exercise, and that sustainability is playing a second class citizen to profitability. Which sort of makes sense, because if your company's not profitable, then it doesn't matter how sustainable you are. However, I was reading a report the other day that says, I think it was from Harvard, that says the most sustainable companies also tend to be the most profitable. So, and if you think about it, that makes complete sense, because if you're increasing your yields, you're increasing your capacity, you're being more efficient, you're creating less waste, you're using less water, you're using less energy, you're using less resources, so therefore you're being more environmentally sustainable. So maybe sustainability shouldn't be a second-class citizen after all. Anyway, if you work for a company that processes liquids and you're interested in all this stuff, increasing profitability and or sustainability, put something in the comments or send me a LinkedIn message and I'll send you a free white paper which tells you all about our pigging technology.